guys, it's Shereé, and today I'm going to be giving you a detailed tour of my Dreambox. I'm so excited to share with you all the things that I've stored in my amazing Dreambox. But before I get into that, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. All right, let's get into it. Friends, I just got word that my Dreambox is going to be here in like the next 20 minutes and I'm so excited. I brought my camera out and I'm going to try to record them bringing the Dreambox onto my driveway and parking it. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get this box, you guys. I have been thinking about this all night, all morning, so now it's time to actually receive the box and I'm so thrilled. All right, let's do this. The truck is here, it just pulled up. So excited. It's coming. He's unloading it from the truck right now and he's gonna bring it up and park it right there in this space on my driveway. I have never used a power drill before in my life. I have never used a power drill in my life. I repeat. Let's see if I can figure this out. Nope, it's not on. Come on, Mom. I don't know.
Mommy, are you
What? I did it.
That was easy. Are you making a video?
Yep.
You're recording right now?
Yes, and you keep talking.
Nervous.
You and me both. I don't know if I should be doing this.
Don't hurt yourself, Mom.
Can you stop talking in my video? You know it's not good when your own child says they're nervous. Power tool. What do you think about that?
Do you need help?
I missed some. There's hidden ones. There's so many.
They gotta really keep that box
Sakes.
Well, they gotta keep that box closed. There's a lot of stuff in this, and then when it's shipping, it
Is that it?
could pour out.
Oh, I think that's the last two.
Do you need our help?
Hold on a second. Like I said before, I don't want you to get too many lectures.
That's easy for you.
Well,
What? Listen.
okay.
Open the box.
So, what we're gonna do?
Ripping the box like it's not your friend.
It's open! We did it! The crate is open. Now it's time to take all the pieces inside. Look how many there are. Since I'm not particularly very handy, my loving husband actually built my Dreambox for me. So here's a few pictures of the Dreambox as it was being assembled. The first step in filling the Dreambox is pulling out all the things that need to go inside the Dreambox. And this was a scary process for me, but these are all the things I needed to organize and store in my Dreambox. I thought it would be fun to bring my husband on camera so that he can share with you what the process was like building the Dreambox. So what did you think when you first saw that crate get dropped off?
Oh, it was crazy. I was under the impression that that the Dreambox was going to come fully assembled, and when the truck driver came and unloaded just one pretty big crate, and I realized there wasn't a second or a third, I realized I was going to have a pretty steep task ahead of me. Yeah, it was pretty intimidating. But you know, once we busted the crate open, we unloaded it, we noticed that everything was in bundles, and they're numbered 1 through 9, which made it a lot easier. I took my time doing it. I figured I'd take 2 or 3 days, just because I had some other experiences with some other retailers where, you know, the instructions aren't too clear and you're dealing with 1,001 pieces. But that definitely wasn't the case with the Dreambox. Like I said, it was marked bundles 1 through 9, I think, and then 10 through 15, which made it easier. You know, you open it up and you sit down and all the parts are clearly marked. You got the left side one, right side one, the base front, base back, or however they were named. So it was a lot easier than I anticipated.
That's really good. I actually was concerned because it wasn't a project that he actually knew he was going to have to do. So I was nervous about how long it would take to complete, but this amazing man built it in 2 nights. How many hours do you think it took you?
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of spread it out. I think there was an A's game mixed in there, and some other TV shows. But I think it could easily be done, knocked out in 1 night. I just kind of took my time and I started late. But again, it was a lot easier than I anticipated. I did some research and I watched some videos, and you look at it because you see them, they're all fully stocked, and you see all the things in here. You're thinking, I'm literally gonna have 1,000,001 pieces to put together. But you know, I think when it comes down to it, I think the assembly was the easy part. The stocking this thing and organizing is the hard part.
And I would probably beg to differ since I'm not handy, but it was a lot of fun to fill all these wonderful totes. Was there anything that you found challenging?
I mean, there was times where I had to put on one of these walls, and I kind of had to balance the 4 shelves and make sure they lined up. But other than that, no. I mean, they must have had some bad experiences with another retailer who put together furniture. So they took every step they could to make sure that this thing was easy to put together.
I'm just totally impressed by Will, because in most of the videos I saw, it was 2 to 4 people in one video. Yeah, so there was 2 to 4 people building this thing in a lot of the videos, and I think I did my part by staying out of his way and not frustrating him. But I'm really proud of the work that he did, and I think everything that he did was perfect. We haven't had any issues since it was built. And I just thank you so much for putting this together for me.
You're welcome.
All right, let's get into this tour.